Hey, everybody. I have something really exciting I want to share with you. Kind of on a whim, we just recorded me preparing soup to nuts, my most favorite anti-inflammatory meal. And I want to tell you a few things about it because I think you're going to love it. And it's going to be something we're going to make available totally for free. So this particular meal kind of takes off all of the boxes in a pretty amazing way. First of all, it's satisfying, it's delicious, it's easy to make. It's 100% real food based. It contains tons of plant variety. In fact, it contains 12 different plant-based foods. It is environmentally sustainable. It includes fermented foods. And the cherry on the top is that, and this is going to sound too good to be true, is that it contains 17 superstar anti-inflammatory foods, including those that are ranked 1, 2, and 3 on the list. So that's lots of good things, and totally free. As part of it, I'm going to throw in my Costco love list, really popular free resource I have. And I'm doing that because almost every single one of the ingredients in this entire anti-inflammatory meal are found on the Costco love list by chance, right? And for those that want more, after watching this, I am also going to offer the deepest discount ever on one of my most popular kitchen e-courses. And in fact, it's almost 60% off how to prepare scrumptious, delicious starches. We all love our starches. And so if you have an interest in that, you will have access to that. But here's the important thing for any of the stuff I mentioned. It's only going to be available for 2 days. So if you're already a member of my community, no worries. You're going to get the email about this free resource tomorrow and Thursday. If you're not, and you have an interest in having access to this free anti-inflammatory meal and these other things I mentioned, then you simply need to click the link in my bio to join my community. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy doing it. And we're really excited about it. Thanks.